If we lived in the suburbs. Emily and her husband, Tom, lived in a small apartment in the city. It was noisy, crowded, and expensive. One day, Emily said, if we lived in the suburbs, we would have more space and peace. Tom smiled.
Yes. If we moved, I would love to have a house with a fireplace.
They started dreaming. If we had a house, I would decorate the attic as a reading room, Emily said. And I would buy a brand new sofa for the living room.
Tom added,
If I had a garage, I would fix my old bike. And if the landlord let us, we could plant flowers in the backyard.
Emily laughed. We would need a landlord. We would be the owners. Then she looked a little worried, but the commute might be longer. If I worked far away, I would spend more time in traffic. Tom said,
True, but if we planned well, we wouldn't be late for work.
Emily nodded. And if we had kids one day, they would have a yard to play in. Tom said,
If we saved money, we could buy a small house next year.
Emily smiled.
yes.
I would be very happy if we started a new life in the suburbs. That night, they sat near their small window and looked at the stars. One day, Tom whispered,
We would look back and say, if we hadn't dreamed big, we would still be stuck in that noisy apartment.
Like and subscribe to the channel.